today, data is being accumulated at an ever-increasing rate. And because of this, people need to be able to better understand the data that are being collected. So because of this, data visualization is extremely important in this day and age. There are troves of big data are valuable in all sectors of society, but in order to derive better understanding and insight from it, interdisciplinary efforts and next generation technology are absolutely critical to this particular effort. So today's workshop actually was very important in introducing a technology called Sage, and this particular open source middleware allows people to collaborate on large-scale data sets over distance. And this is probably one of the most important aspects of understanding today's ever increasing amounts of data.